Hey everyone! Labor Day is just around the corner, and if you're looking for some fun and stylish ways to celebrate with your family, I've got you covered. Whether you want to give gifts, have a little party, go on an outing, or even do some shopping, there are plenty of options to make this Labor Day a memorable one. So let's dive in. First up, let's talk about hosting a Labor Day cookout. It's a classic. Fire up the grill with some burgers, hot dogs, and veggie skewers. And don't forget the side dishes. Potato salad, coleslaw, and baked beans are always a hit. To make it extra special, why not set up a DIY s'mores station? The kids will love it, and it's a great way to end the evening on a sweet note. Next, consider giving thoughtful gifts. Labor Day is a perfect time to show appreciation to the hardworking people in your life. Personalized gifts, like custom mugs or t-shirts with their name or a funny quote, can make them feel extra special. Or, how about a relaxing gift basket filled with candles, bath bombs, and a cozy blanket? It's a simple way to say, thank you for all that you do. If you're in the mood for an adventure, plan a family outing. Head to a local park for a picnic, or visit a nearby beach for some sun and sand. You could also explore hiking trails for a bit of nature and exercise. Bring along some games like frisbee or paddleball to keep everyone entertained. And remember to pack plenty of snacks and drinks to keep the energy up. And for those who love to shop, Labor Day sales are a must. Many stores offer great discounts on everything from clothing to electronics. Make a list of what you need and hit the stores early to snag the best deals. It's also a fantastic time to get a head start on holiday shopping. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Lastly, let's not forget about giving back. Labor Day is a time to honor all workers, so why not volunteer as a family? Spend a few hours at a local shelter, community garden, or food bank. It's a rewarding experience and a wonderful way to teach kids the importance of helping others. So, there you have it. Whether you're grilling up a feast, giving heartfelt gifts, exploring the great outdoors, shopping for deals, or giving back to the community, there are so many ways to celebrate Labor Day in style. Make the most of this special day with your family and create lasting memories together. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun ideas. Happy Labor Day!